Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Boldr here, and I'm coming at you today with an unboxing. I am super stoked about this, guys. I don't normally do unboxings of watches other than blind ones. I do know what's in this one, but I am so excited about this piece, guys. I really wanted to share it with you. And we need to get into this package right away because, yeah. Opening duties today will be by the Ontario Rat 1. Stands for Rail Adventure Training. Love this piece. This is actually one of 3 that I own. And I don't ever use this one because I love the coloration and I just don't want to mess it up. I have one I use all the time. But it's in generic black, so nobody wanted to see that one. I figured I'd break out the nice one for you today. So let's get this guy opened up. Trying to be gentle. There's a box inside and I don't want to mar it. So I want to make sure we use our super sharp Rat 1 gently. There we go. Alright. And nicely bubble wrapped. You can tell by the logo it is a Boldr. This isn't your mama's Boldr now. We have looked at a Boldr on this channel. We looked at the Explorer 2 GMT, which I did like. It was one of my first watch game exchange purchases. A little small for me, but I do like it. Man, they take the heck out of this thing. Get in here, I want to see this thing. Alright. And here we are. Nice big white box. Okay, not so nice. Big white box though. And open it up. Oh yeah, dive box. Love it. Get rid of the box. Sweet dive box. Look at that. I mean, it's a little skinny one, but check that out, guys. Very nice. Got a label plate on the side here, pressure release valve here, so it shouldn't be terribly hard to open. Getting crud all over my table here. So let's crack this bad boy. Oh, I cannot tell you how excited I am. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Ready? Ready? Y'all gonna get to see it before I do. No fair. Y'all so rude. Here we go. And the angels have shined upon us. Check it out, guys. I am awestruck. So happy, happy, happy. Jill, who cares? Nobody wants to see you. Additional band. Beautiful watch, which we will talk about in a second. And nothing. No instructions. Wow, interesting. That's unusual. No warranty card. Nothing. Just maybe there's something I missed in the box. Whatever. We'll look in a minute. We don't care about that stuff. We care about this. This is what we care about. Oh, it's beautiful. So, yeah. Bronze cased. Look at the gorgeousness that is that dial, guys. And I will absolutely put a few close-up shots in for you. This is not a full review. This is just an unboxing. Full review will come down the road after I get some wrist time with this bad boy, and you better bet it's going to get some wrist time. Oh, my, my, my. That dial, it's a frickin' space rock. That's right, a freaking space rock. You heard me. Like, fell out of space. Yeah, meteorite dial. Oh, so cool. And then to put it in a bronze case, just gorgeous. The loom pips, that antiqued color, oh man. This strap, look at this, the thickness on this strap. I mean, Boldr, you guys knocked it out of the park on this one. Look at that case back display. Oh, we're going to peel the plastic off. You know we're going to peel the plastic off. The sucker getting worn. Look at that super intricate design. Wow. I don't even know what that's supposed to be. just like the cosmos. Oh yeah, you can see the constellations. Very cool. Boldr here, and it's Horween leather. So you know, they spared no expense. They went with the good stuff. Bronze buckle, very nice. Twin keepers, not captive on the first one. We'll let it slide on such a beautiful piece. And it does come with a silicone strap as well. Bronze buckle on that as well. Really nice touch, Boldr, the fact that you bronzed out everything. Different style buckle too. Interesting. Check that out, guys. I mean, they really spared no expense. An easy way to cut cost would be to provide the same buckle on both straps, but they went with a completely different buckle style. And this buckle style, being more squared off, really fits this strap much better than the rounded off buckle. And I got to tell you, the rounded off buckle fits the leather strap a lot better. So, let me close up of those. Very nice, Boldr. Good job. Man, they really did go all out on this piece. I mean, this is their kind of let's show the world what we can do. Oh, those clicks are so nice. Oh. No play, guys. No play. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. Oh, it's amazing. You know I gotta line it back up. You know I can't just let it sit all squarely. There we go. Oh, man. So, this is the Odyssey 2 in bronze with the meteorite dial, helium escape valve, Horween leather strap, additional silicone strap, triple lock crown. We'll take a look at that when we get into the actual review. It is branded crown, branded buckle, bronze buckle on the silicone strap. Man, they all went out. But the star of the show is that meteorite dial. Give you another close-up of that bad boy, because it's amazing how it catches the light, just all the different angles. Oh, so good, so good. Of course, sapphire crystal. Nice and, oh man, that's thick. The sucker's heavy. He's absolutely going to be a chunky monkey. You guys know I don't care about that. But, yeah, if you're going to put it, that heavy of a watch, why not thicken up the glass? They did. Really knocked it out of the park. Went all out on this bad boy. We'll know more when we get it on wrist and wear it. Get some time on our underneath it. Let's get it on the wrist right now while we're sitting here yapping. Today, watch check is the Orient Sea King, or SKN Violet. Super cool piece. Don't make it anymore. Not in this style anyway. Kind of a turtle style. Rotating inner bezel. This came in a ridiculous amount of colors. This center center face came in so many different colors. I mean, just a head-scratchingly amount of colors. Super cool. I really love the violet. I'm a purple fan. So check it out your way. Boy, that is a wrist filler. But I love it. Oh, yeah. Oh, just suits me perfectly. I wear a lot of khaki, a lot of brown, a lot of blues, darker blues, and this is just going to fit with that so well. First time on wrist. Oh man. Get on there, Horween leather strap. Get that cinched down. Now, leather straps, first time you wear them, they are going to be a little flat-sided with most of them until they break in, but they're going to break in really, really nice, especially genuine leather like this. Oh, man. Now, this is number 38 of 250. They only made 250 of these guys. So there's not going to be a lot out there on the market. I actually bought the last one on Boldr's website. When I bought it, it said sold out. So when I went back and looked at it again. So I am a little late to the game on this. It actually came out a little while ago. But man, oh, so gorgeous. Can't wait to get some wrist time with it. Full review is coming soon. But for now, guys, that's going to do it for today. Sure do appreciate y'all coming to hang out with me as always. And until next time, y'all get out there and make some noise. See ya.